Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone and welcome to the session. This is Ashima Shukla, your Current Affairs and Banking Awareness faculty on Entri platform. And in this video, we'll be talking about all the major news events that have taken place in the past days. The discussion is going to involve all the major news events in a form of theory or a short and crisp format so that you can get all the major updates and update your notes alongside. For those who want to practice questions also, we have a live session that happens on YouTube channel of Entri at 4 p.m. every day, and also we have a free live quiz that happens on Entri app. You can download app from the link provided in the description section below. Starting on the discussion of news events, the first is that the Union government has extended the GST annual returns filing date for 2020-2021 fiscal year that ended on March 21. It has been extended till 28th of February, March 2022 as of now. Then we have Reserve Bank of India, which has clarified that non-resident Indians or NRIs and overseas citizen of India OCIs do not need permission to acquire or sell immovable assets in India. At present, NRIs and OCIs are governed by provision of Foreign Exchange Management Act, or you can say FEMA 1999, and therefore do not require prior approval of RBI for any acquisition or transfer of immovable property in India other than agriculture land, farmhouse and plantation property. You need to remember the act which is governing them, that is a FEMA of 1999. Next is Reserve Bank of India has extended the relaxation given for the operation of client accounts on regulated firms whose periodic KYC or Know Your Customer updates are required and pending as of 31st of December 2021, and that has been extended till 31st of March 2022. A regulated entity is required to undertake KYC compliance from customers because of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002 and the Prevention of Money Laundering Maintenance of Records Rules of 2005. Sunil Kumar Mehta was appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of Coal India Limited effective from 1st of January 2022 recently. Then we have the Secretary of Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Durga Shankar Mishra, who is going to become the Chief Secretary of the UP government soon. Padhe Bharat was launched by Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Ji. It's a 100-day reading campaign which has been launched to improve the learning skills and abilities of students. So, the students from Balvatika to class 8th can participate in the campaign in which the verbal skills of students will improve, and it will be concluding on 10th of April 2022. PaisaBazaar.com in partnership with Axis Bank has launched a pre-qualified program for unsecured loans on its platform. So it is a deep technology, it's based on deep technology and performs deep analytics in partnership with banks and the non-banking financiers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji laid the foundation stone of Major Dhyan Chand Sports University. The foundation stone was laid down at Meerut in UP. The cost of the project is 700 crore rupees. University will help the region and country be self-reliant in sports equipment manufacturing and also help fulfill the national education policy's objective to give importance to the sports in country. The foundation stone was laid down at Meerut in UP. Russia has launched Sibir. It's a nuclear-powered icebreaker. It's first in the Project 2220 Versatile series. It will support the growing fleet of icebreakers to keep North Sea route open for the year-round shipping through the Arctic. It will give opportunity for India to explore the Arctic region as well. State Bank of India Cards and Payment Services Limited has partnered with the Paytm to allow its cardholders to tokenize their cards on devices and perform payment transaction using Paytm. It will allow SBI card owners to perform transactions using Paytm at all the international locations. SBI will be acquiring 9.95% stake in India International Clearing Corporation Limited by making an investment of 34.03 crore rupees. IFSC Limited is a gift city based market infrastructure institution based in the place. Jawaharlal Nehru Marg was renamed as Narendra Modi Marg by the Governor of Sikkim, Ganga Prasad ji, recently. Now, the National Monument at National Highway 310 was built by BRO, Border Roads Organization, and it will make easier for Indian tourists to reach the Nathula border via this road. Baldev Prakashji was appointed as MD and CEO of Jammu and Kashmir Bank for a duration of 3 years. Amir Subhaniji was appointed as Chief Secretary of Bihar, replacing Tripurari Sharanji. LIC has inaugurated DigiZone at Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai. DigiZone aims to enhance the digital footprint of LIC, allowing people to purchase policies in online manner, making LIC a tech-driven life insurer. Union Information Minister Ashwini Vaishnavji launched India's semiconductor mission. It aims to generate a large amount of investment to set up a semiconductor wafer fabrication facilities in the country. In this regard, companies which are interested will be definitely invited to work on the development of semiconductors. Financial support of up to 50% will be provided for the scheme to set up daily fabs, and this will attract the large investment manufacturers as well as per the expectation. Now, per fab, about 12,000 crore rupees support is going to be granted by the government. Ministry of Communication and Department of Telecommunication has framed a task force to explore development in the 6th generation technology or 6G technology. The task force is framed under Technology Innovation Group. Every member and their respective teams will work to contribute to International Mobile Communication Standard 2030 in the development work of 6G. Now, the 6 task forces which have been formed are on multi-platform on next generation network, spectrum policy, then multidisciplinary innovations, devices, R&D, and international standards. Governor of Sikkim has renamed Narendra Modi Marg Jawaharlal Nehru Road as Narendra Modi Marg. Middle East-based retail company Lulu Group has announced setting up of its export-oriented food and agriculture produce processing park, which is in Greater Noida, UP. The park is planned with initial investment of 500 crore rupees as of now. Lulu Group will procure and export about 200,000 tons annually local fruits and vegetables from UP for the hypermarket around the world. With this, we'll be winding up the segment of the day, and I hope this session is helpful. We'll see you in the next video with more news events. Till then, have a great day ahead.